Hey superstars, today I'm going to show you how I turned this beautiful 4C head of hair that you see before you into this wonderful spiral look done by Marcel irons, and I'm going to show you right after this.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Ms. Magic, back with another hair video. Today we're going to do a natural spiral look on this 4C hair beauty. Let's face it, she is a mom of 2. She does not have time to do a wash and go or twist out. But she wants that look, and she has that 4Z hair. You know what I'm talking about. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a faux look, I should say, of a 4C like twist out or curl style. And trust me when I tell you, ladies, this style lasts for like 2-3 weeks, just like when you do a wash and go or whatever you do to your natural hair. So let's get started without further ado. But hold up, this style is not to be done by your average Joe. It should be done by a licensed professional or someone who knows their way around Marcel irons. So let's get started blow drying our beauty's hair, and we'll get back to this discussion in just a minute, right after I blow dry her hair. And while I'm blow drying her hair, if you like this video when it's done or now, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like if you like it, and hit that notification bell so you can see when I post other videos, which I do a lot. Your girl's hustling. She's posting 3 to 5 days a week. But on to this video. I'm clipping her ends, and now before I start curling, hold up 1 second. We have to talk about these Marcel irons and how to use them. Okay, superstars, Marcels are like the 3 bears. There's not just right, then there's too hot, and then there's just right. Did I say that right? The 3 bears? Go to like some 3 bears. Anyway, so that's the iron. It got a little smoke coming off of it. You can still kind of touch it with your hands without getting burned. Then you got your medium. No, this is the just right one. This is the just right one. This is the iron that can go on your client's hair, and it's fine. But you need to put it on a paper towel and make sure that it does not turn brown. And that way you know you're ready to put it on your client's hair. It is ready. You can use it. You can curl it. Then we got that is too damn hot. I left it in there a little while longer because I really wanted you to see what was going on. I am so used to using Marcel's, like I know the perfect temperature. So it was kind of hard for me to leave it in there, but I did. I think I'm going to take it out now. No, I'm waiting a little bit because I really want it. Okay, yeah. So when you take it out of the stove and you see that it is that smoking hot, it is too damn hot. So I put it on a paper towel. If your Marcel does that to a paper towel, do not put it in your client's hair. You will burn their hair. It needs to sit on the paper towel for at least a minute and cool back off, and then you try it again. Those 2 are fine. This one, no, no, no. All right, so back without further ado, let's get back to the hairstyle. Okay, so after deep conditioning and blow drying and clipping her ends, we're now going to get into curling it. We are using a serum oil on her hair. It is best not to use grease because we are not pressing her hair. We are spiraling it. Now these bottom layers where the kitchen is, ladies, the kitchen is super sensitive. That is the most sensitive part of your hair as far as your edges go, your hairline. So the iron we using is the lowest setting. The first iron that I showed you with the low heat. You use that and you give her a nice little spiral. And what you're doing is just putting it on her edges first, just to straighten it a little bit. And then you'll give her a nice spiral. You are going, just like I got that curl line going like straight up, that's how you're going to spiral her hair. Then that second layer, same thing, not a real hot iron because it's still kind of sensitive right there. So we're spiraling. Using a Marcel takes practice. Like I said, a professional should really do this. Someone who doesn't know what they're doing, maybe you can buy a mannequin with human head and try it on that first. Try it a lot on that first before you use it on someone's hair. Because, honey, you will take a curl, spiral that curl, take that Marcel off, and the whole curl will be on that Marcel. Trust me. Practice first. Okay, so once we got that out the way, now we're going to take it up to the curling iron that's just right on the heat setting. Make sure you test it on that paper towel. Make sure it does not turn brown. And then we're just going to go ahead and spiral our whole client's hair. So enjoy.
Yeah. I was finna write a song, but I've been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me.
Okay, superstars, when I do the part where I know I want her part at, I'll usually go ahead and flat iron that a little straight to get some definition so that my client knows where her part begins and ends. It is not necessarily when you do this style to get the hair super straight, but inside that part you do want it to be kind of straight so that they'll know where the curls are supposed to lie when they take their bonnet off, or for the first week or two, just so they'll know where their style ends. So I straighten that out, and then I just continue with the curls.
When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
Girls love cookies.
Feel me? Yeah. See my peanut butter jelly snack, pull it, ride, busky, painting. That's my sunshine when it's raining. That's my boo, yeah. When I'm all alone, she pulled through. So when I catch that wave, we gon' move. But then again, we probably won't. Cause I know she like to stay at home. And she probably gon' shoot me dead before the devil try to take my soul. Yeah, I call that love TKO. This thing here way too cold. We gon' shine like a pot of gold. If you didn't know, now you know. Feel me? Don't ask me how I been, how are you? Please don't bring your friends, they not cool, yeah. When you on the way, make that move. In case they didn't know, that's my boo, yeah, that's boo. Don't ask me how I been, how are you? Please don't bring your friends, they not cool. When you on the way, make that move. In case they didn't know, that's my boo, yeah, that's boo. Yeah, bro said don't get too involved. Up in school, I'm about to hit the road. Damn man, I'm about to see it all. But one day we gon' see it all. If I said, then I mean it all. Let's be ready when
Okay guys, this is the finished look right here. She wanted to see if she could go home with her hair like that and take care of herself. I said, no ma'am. No ma'am, you will not. I must finger out the curls because you'll go home and jack it up. So right now I am going to finger out her curls, and what you do not comb them out. You take some oil, place it in your hand, a dime size to a quarter size amount. Put the oils in her curl. You can put it in her part if you want to. And then you simply just break each curl into 2 or 3, as I am doing now. The bottom 2 layers, don't touch them. Just break the layers above into 1 or 2. As you see, I'm just pulling 1 or 2 apart with my fingers. And I'm going to do this all over her head until we get a nice little look. This look will get bigger over the days, so you do not have to worry about it getting it super big the first day. If they wear their bonnet at night and put their oil on their hair when they're supposed to, which you are to tell your client to do, explain to them how to keep this hairstyle. Then you will have nothing to worry about. The next couple of days, it will be beautiful. All right, guys, this is our finished look. I'm spraying a little polish on her hair. She looks like a diva. I have done her edge control on the other side. And that is our queen. All right. Thanks for watching this video. Once again, if you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be informed if I post another video. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you. See you in the next video.